Hey, I'm Pradeep, Program Coordinator for SNS Peace Point. Um, we are, okay. Every great journey begins with lots of frustrations, struggles, and lots of obstacles. So we have to overthrow all those things. Only then we can attain a destiny, whatever we have planned to envision. So in a similar way, in our group of institutions, like we don't have a common man, Lada. Okay. Okay, stop it. Okay. Hey, I'm Pradeep, Program Coordinator, SNS Peace Point. So every great journey begins with lots of frustrations, hurdles, obstacles, and desire to do things very differently. So at SNS institutions, we understood the common man thinking and business often gets stuck up in one particular point using this conventional approaches. So what we started doing it, like we embraced design thinking based approaches, like which is a human centered thinking approach, where we ourselves will put into the opponent's shoes to understand what really the opponent needs. So which makes us to drive through success in a very easier way. Like the simply we can say, like the iterations are very less. The solutions whatever we get is quite easier when compared to conventional approaches. So this is the point where we started getting into a DT based approach in approaching any problems to get a very good solution for that particular problem. So, following to this DT based approach, when we get into some approach, we have to have a framework, some sort of thing to be maintained in a proper way. So we initially started to go with a 3P culture: purpose, process, and people. So we have to define what is the exact purpose of making this thing. So from that, we have to define the process, how we are going to execute it to make that purpose to be solved, and the people with the help of the team with whom we are going to derive to solve that particular problem. In the similar way, following to 3P, we have a 3C framework, like attitude, logic, and technique. Attitude speaks very more, as we know that. We all have to have a same mindset, only then the envision, the target, or the destiny we can attain it in a very short time. Followed by 3P and 3C, we have 5 different pillars: CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching; CFC, Center for Creativity; SCD, Skill and Career Development; IAPC, Industry Institute Partnership Cell; and SRA, Social Responsibility Initiative. CLT is for the learning and teaching methodologies, whatever pedagogies we use, and CFC is for research and other activities, and SCD is for skill and career development, and IAPC to bridge the gap between industry and academia, and SRA is to give back to the society. So when it comes to this 5 pillar, following this 5 pillar, we always think when the human mind is to work, to think or to create something, the physical fitness has to be maintained. In that way, we created spine. We always believe that physical fitness will help a common man's mind to think more, to create more, to make innovate more. So following this, the framework is ready, the culture is set. So what is next? So obviously we have to see the growth and innovation part. So when it comes to innovation, we have a 7+7 verticals. Like we have aligned all the industries to the core engineering. So all those 7 industry verticals will fit in all the complete domains of engineering, where the innovation starts and begins. Right now, after this 7+7, we are into Gen AI, which is the current need of the market. Like everybody started getting into AI-based projects and other things. As I said before, we have SCD, Skill and Career Development, where we focus on certified talents, which is the most need of the hour. So where the students are being certified by global certifications, which make them to have their own destiny in a very soon. And so we all said, like right now we have framework, we have culture, we have growth, innovation. So following this, where the excellence comes, and so where we are going to measure how we are going to see all those growth and everything. So here comes the smart OKR. Smart OKR is nothing but objective key results, where we have a 5-pillar based OKR monitoring system, which is been driving all the students come faculty in all the aspects. As I said before, CLT, CFC, SRA, IIPC and SCD. In all these parts, every student and the faculty members are getting motivated and being they improve as well. The institution also getting improved. The destiny of, as I said in the beginning, as I said in the start. So this roadmap is designed to have a destiny. So destiny is like 1,000 AI-based startup in 2040. So with all these plan, with a proper foundation, with a clear-cut framework and culture, with growth and innovation mindset, and excellence in creation, we strongly believe we can create a very good growth mindset, which makes us to reach the destiny of 1,000 AI-based startups in 2040. Thank you so much.